To Talessia's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some spicy, I don't know what kind of call these green beans, but just bear with me, some spicy Cajun green beans. You need just some adobe sausage, and you need some cut up peppers and onions, some chicken broth. So go ahead and get your fresh green beans, and I like to cut off my ends. Y'all gotta excuse my dog, she just doesn't have no type of respect, but go ahead and just cut off the end of your green beans and put them in a pan. And you have to use this sausage, adobe. This is a good sausage. This is all the sausages I'm seeing with making this type of dish. It gives it a more spicier taste, so cut it diagonally. And let's get over here to the skillet. You're going to put some butter in the pan. As you can see, I'm putting some butter. And go ahead and put your sausage in there. Then we're going to go ahead and put our onions and peppers in there also. I'm going to save some of these. I got another meal I'm making. I don't need all these because I got a small bag. And you want to cook this. You want to cook it until the sausage is done. Then you're going to add in some olive oil. And as you can see, it has cooked down. But we're going to let this cook a little bit more. You want your sausage brown, basically. You want your peppers and stuff sauteed. As you can see, the peppers are sauteed. Go ahead and add your green beans in. You want to get us a good mixture. And then you want to add your seasonings. You can add whatever seasonings you want, but add a little chicken stock in here. I skipped a beat, I'm sorry. My dog is just so disrespectful. Go in with some Nature's by Morton's. That's like a garlic brand, nature brand. Then you're going to go in with some vegetable seasoning. It's seasoning salt. It's salt free, so don't mind this. You're going to go in with some garlic powder, onion powder, seasoning salt, just a little seasoning salt. You don't need a lot of seasoning salt. My dog is just have no type of respect knowing that I'm recording. Little black pepper, little accent. Go ahead and get us a good stir. Make sure everything is well incorporated. And put a lid on it and let this cook down. As you can see, yes, it is done, but it looks so good. I'm going to give it a stir and probably let it cook just a little bit more. I'm going to let mine cook a little bit more. Voila! Look at what we have here. Our Cajun style green beans. It's just not your average green beans. It just gives your green beans a nice spicier taste. And I think I love making them this way. You just want to try to spice up your dish, but this is the end results, and I'm telling y'all, these are so tasteful. It tastes so good. The sausages give it the flavor, the pepper, and everything give it flavor. Make sure if you try this, like and tell me how you made yours. Until then, thank you for tuning in with Talessia's Kitchen as we made some Cajun style green beans, and give me a review at the bottom. I know that's probably ain't new, but you get it. See ya.